Start playing with AI. And by the way, not AI in like, not the foundational like N8N workflow dummy bullshit. Stop falling for that bullshit. It's useless. It's still falling for the cog in the machine. Let me build a workflow. Now that's stupid. How do you get AI to be the slave and do work for you? Then go sell it to other people, okay? It has never been a greater time to start cooking. And what once used to be hard, what once required you to sacrifice everything to win, today the sacrifice can be made by AI on your behalf. You don't need to sacrifice anything. And which is the good news. The world is changing, but the way you adapt is actually a lot easier. It's not as tough as it used to be. It's not as hard as it used to be, this entrepreneurship path. And yeah, I just wanted to share this because so many people don't understand what's going on, and it's scary. It's scary. It's so scary. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys get to see this video, and I hope that it makes you guys start thinking, starts looking for things, because I would have wanted someone to make this video for me, being 100% real, not have any incentives. I don't care whether you guys care for what we're doing, buy product, buy our service. That's not why I'm making this video. I'm literally making this video to save people's lives. I'm already good. I make my money. Today I think I'm at like $20,000. I don't know if you guys can see this, right? So I made my money. I'm not looking for much. But yeah, you owe it to yourself to be great. And now is the best time to cook, okay? See you guys in the arena. And I'm going to making another video that's more focused, that's more visual, to explain everything that I'm currently sharing. And I hope you guys find it helpful and change the life, not just your life, but the life of everyone that you love. You owe it to yourself to be great. Bye-bye.